Welcome to today's talk, and today's talk is about repertory. And in MM series, we are going to talk about repertory, and I'm going to give you a brief idea about some of my ideas about repertory because today is the day we are going to start the pre-booking for my new book, which I have been talking to you for last 1 year. The book Art of Repertorization: Rediscovering Old and Forgotten Repertories. The 555 pages book with 8 different repertories, and I'm going to just browse you a little bit through the book. The book is, as you can see, it's written by me, and foreword is written by my guru, Dr. Sankaran. It's very interesting when you read it. um, my first page is about dedication, and I've dedicated to all my teachers. Here you can see Dr. Sankaran, Dr. Sarkar, Dr. Subhas Singh, Dr. L.M. Khan, Dr. Vijay Vaishnav, and late Dr. Milind Rao. And this is me. Hopefully, you can recognize. And this is a foreword. Foreword is written by Dr. Sankaran. It's very interesting the way he has written it. And it's a long foreword by him. He has written it very nicely. He has written, one must be open to all influences, yet have firm footing in fundamentals of science. As Mahatma Gandhi said, I do not want my house to be walled in all sides and my windows to be stubbed. I want the culture of all lands to be blown about my house as freely as possible, but I refuse to be blown off by my feet by any. So it's very interesting. Just shows that importance of fundamentals like materia medica, repertory, and organon. So he has written about that. Then about acknowledgements, I have acknowledged a lot of people. I have to tell you this that although I have dedicated book to my teachers, that is Dr. Subhas Singh, L.M. Khan, Dr. Sankaran, Dr. Sarkar, Dr. Vijay Vaishnav. But in this book, I have almost more than 30 authors. So I am not the single author. Mainly 80% cases are mine, but there are cases by all homeopaths all across India and also all across the world. I have homeopaths like Dr. Sanjay Patil, Dr. Devendra Pal Singh, Dr. Alpesh, Dr. Pratik, Jay Ashok from Madurai, Yamini from Indore, Parkavi from Madurai, Rahul Sharma, Dr. Manish Jakpal from Punjab, Raj Bondre, Dr. Kapil Sharma, Prasad Rasal, Samir Upadhyay, Elizabeth Turos, Sohail Ansari, Omkar Kore, Shishir Paranzape, Mayuresh Mahajan, Manish Yadav, Chirag Shah, Afrin Chunawala, Gopinath Menon, Sanjeev Dole, Priyan, Yamini, Shoaib Sabir, Anum Zahir, Varsha Thakkar. So um, there are almost, I don't know, more than 25, 30 co-authors to the book, which is very, very exciting to have people from different and the book is edited by Aparna Sali, who has done it very well, and helped by Vasudha, Shama, Sheetal, Katyayani, and Jaya Joshi also. And one of the main person who helped me with everything with the book is Dr. Utsav, which is why this book is coming up. Then I've written a preface. I start something like, it has been 15 years of relentless repertory use, and I'm still intrigued by repertories. So it's a very, very interesting thing. I've written from my heart everything that I know in last 15 years of living in repertory. I have written. Then there are many testimonials, different testimonials. One of the testimonials by Dr. Shorkar. Um, then testimonial by Francois from Belgium. Dr. Subhas Singh has written a testimonial. Thank you to him. Um, there is a testimonial by Dr. Sahani. Uh, then there is testimonial by Isabel. Dr. Gajanan has written a testimonial. Dr. L.M. Khan, Dr. Kamlesh Mehta, um, Dr. Manish Bhatia, many testimonials. Dr. Sanjay Patil. So they have written about the book what they found interesting. Um, Dr. Leo Marcia from Switzerland, Elizabeth Thuros, Florentina. And then I start. This is the index. So let's have a look. What are the things in the book? value of repertory, where I've spoken about different things in the repertory. Why do we need the repertory? Then I've spoken about Kent repertory, then Fatak, then BBCR, then Boric, then Nair, then Roberts repertory, then Clark repertory, then Boger repertory, then how to use all these repertories together with the advanced ideas of kingdoms. Then I have given some case exercises, which means I've kept 50 cases for all of you to solve, and then case analysis, then references. Then I've written something called as map of repertories, which is also very, very exciting. So the first chapter is value of repertory, where I've written about why do we need the repertory, things like that.